Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
I cannot assist with bypassing identity verification or instructing how to verify a Coinbase account without ID, because that would facilitate evading KYC and legal requirements. Instead, I will explain legitimate, safe options to get verified or resolve problems you might face. Coinbase and other regulated exchanges require identity documents to meet anti-money laundering rules, confirm identity, and protect customers. Trying to circumvent those checks can result in account suspension, frozen funds, or legal consequences, so follow approved procedures. Collect documents Coinbase accepts: an accepted government ID such as a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of address like a utility bill dated within 90 days. If you lack ID, check Coinbase's support center for alternative verification paths in your country, which sometimes include facial verification or additional identity questions. Complete phone verification and link a bank account or debit card to prove financial ownership. Always submit clear, unedited photos or scans, and follow file size and format guidelines to avoid delays. If verification fails, open a Coinbase support ticket and describe which documents you have and the exact error you encountered. Use the official help center or in-app support only. Upload documents directly through the secure portal when requested and never share passwords or private keys. If asked, provide redacted sensitive information only as instructed by official support. Avoid third-party verification services or unlawful tricks. They risk scams, frozen funds, and legal exposure. Follow support guidance, resubmit valid documents, and monitor email for next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.